Startup India was based on three major pillars. First, simplification and handholding. Second, funding and incentives. And third, incubation and industry academia partnerships. With resounding success since its start, the program today boasts an ecosystem of more than 41,000 startups and 4.7 lakh jobs reported by them. Also, rupees 4,500 crore of investment made in 384 startups through Funds of Fund scheme. In such an ecosystem, it will not be an exaggeration to say that our economy is soon going to be driven by these startups. Our government is acutely conscious that startups, being the latest in trends in the defense manufacturing sector, require that extra push. With this aim in view, we have taken many steps to foster and encourage this partnership with private industry. I would like to highlight some of them, like opening up the patents and laboratories of DRDO to private industry, setting up of young scientist labs in niche technology areas, programs like Innovation for Defense Excellence, Defense India Startup Challenge, and IDEX for Fauji, etc. Dear friends, our commitment to ensure that technology developed by the Startup Ecosystem Act as force multipliers to the Indian military operational and combat capabilities. This has been highlighted in the latest version of the Defense Acquisition Procedure 2020. This allows startups to participate in Make in India forums and also reserve projects up to rupees 100 crore for micro, small and medium enterprise. Attaining self-reliance in the manufacturing of defense equipment is a crucial factor for maintaining India's strategic autonomy. The IDEX initiative stands out as one of the most effective and well-executed defense startup ecosystem created in our country. I have been phenomenal progress made by the IDEX winners. Several of them are gaining recognition for their innovations at different national and international platforms as well. More than 1,200 startups and innovators have participated in Defense India Startup Challenge. Out of these, more than 60 startups have won in 30 technological areas under these challenges. I am proud to say that these brilliant innovators have been given grants up to rupees 1.5 crore each to build these prototypes. Some examples of these innovations being high altitude pseudo satellite created by New Space Research and Technology Private Limited and adopted steel by Hyper Steel Technologies. Friends, in the aerospace sector itself, 300 plus startups are currently engaged, and under IDEX, 10 startups have developed the products worth ₹100 crore, which have been displayed in front you in Aero India 21. Today, I am very happy to announce that the 45 MSMEs who have participated in Aero India have already got orders worth ₹203 crore. This is a very heartening news and I'm sure it will grow further in the times to come.